The Mars rover just snapped the first close-up of 3I Atlas, an interstellar object tearing through our solar system. But instead of the icy glow of a comet, the image revealed something solid, angular, and disturbingly unnatural. In the next few minutes, you'll see why scientists are whispering that 3I Atlas may not be a comet at all, why its strange surface has experts worried, and the chilling possibility that this object isn't natural at all. Quick challenge. If you discovered an object from another star system wasn't natural, would you feel awe or fear? Drop your gut reaction below, because by the end of this video, you might not answer the same way. Only 2 interstellar objects have ever been confirmed before: Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. Oumuamua was cigar-shaped and accelerated in ways gravity couldn't explain. Borisov looked like a comet, but even it carried strange traits. Now comes 3I Atlas, the third, and perhaps the most baffling of them all. Rare events like this don't just expand science, they rewrite it. And when the universe sends us a messenger, ignoring it isn't an option. At first, astronomers slapped the easy label on it: comet. Simple, familiar, but the evidence is tearing that label apart. No tail, no icy vapor, just a solid, angular body that refuses to play by the rules. Misclassify something this rare, and you risk missing the truth. The real lesson? Labels can mislead. Evidence is what matters. And in the case of 3I Atlas, the evidence is screaming for attention. A rover built to study Martian rocks suddenly became our best eye on an interstellar traveler. From its perch on the red planet, free of Earth's thick atmosphere, the rover captured details no telescope on Earth could. That's the twist. Sometimes the tool built for one mission ends up rewriting another. The real-world lesson? Don't underestimate what's already in your hands. Perspective changes everything. When the camera locked onto 3I Atlas, scientists braced for the familiar glow of a comet's tail. Instead, the image revealed something shocking: a solid, angular body with sharp ridges and no vapor at all. One frame shattered months of assumptions. The impact? Appearances can rewrite science. A single photograph can force us to rethink decades of certainty. If 3I Atlas isn't a comet, then what is it? An asteroid? A fragment of a shattered world? Or something stranger? Comets are icy time capsules. Asteroids are rocky survivors. But this object fits neither. No tail, no icy vapor, just a stubborn, angular body that refuses to play by the rules. The real-world impact? Mislabel it, and we blind ourselves to its true origin. The takeaway is sharp. Definitions shape discovery, and when the categories fail, it's time to expand the playbook. Zoom closer, and the surface tells a story that doesn't add up. Geometric ridges, sharp angles, patterns that look less like erosion and more like design. Nature rarely builds straight lines in space. If these features are natural, they'll force us to rewrite geology textbooks. If they're not, we may be staring at something constructed. The lesson? Anomalies aren't noise, they're signals, and ignoring them could mean missing the most important discovery of our time. This isn't the first time an interstellar visitor has broken the rules. In 2017, Oumuamua slipped through our solar system, long, thin, and accelerating in ways gravity alone couldn't explain. Now, 3I Atlas delivers the same dual-fact punch: no cometary tail and a shape that doesn't fit the asteroid mold. 2 anomalies, years apart, pointing in the same direction. Patterns matter, and when the universe repeats itself, it's not a coincidence, it's a message. When the first images of 3I Atlas were released, astronomers didn't rush to conclusions. One planetary scientist admitted, "This is not behaving like any comet we've studied." That cautious tone matters because science thrives on skepticism. But even skepticism has limits. The real-world impact. Experts are walking a tightrope between wonder and restraint, and right now, that rope is shaking under the weight of 3I Atlas. As if the strange surface wasn't enough, 3I Atlas's path through space raised even more eyebrows. Its trajectory bent slightly, like it had been nudged by an invisible hand. Gravity alone couldn't explain it. And here's the kicker. Oumuamua did the same thing. 2 interstellar visitors, 2 unexplained accelerations. The real-world implication. Motion tells hidden stories, and when an object moves in ways physics can't explain, it isn't just drifting, it's speaking. The question is, what is it trying to say? What if 3I Atlas isn't a rock at all, but a relic? Some researchers already suggested Oumuamua might have been alien technology, a probe, or even a discarded solar sail. Now, with 3I Atlas showing the same anomalies, the question resurfaces. The real-world impact is staggering. If this object is artificial, it means intelligence beyond Earth has left fingerprints in our solar system. The takeaway? Bold ideas may sound outrageous, but they spark progress. Sometimes the unthinkable is exactly what we need to consider. If 3I Atlas is artificial, the implications ripple far beyond astronomy. It would mean we are not alone, and that another civilization has either passed through or deliberately sent something into our neighborhood. The cultural shock could rival the Copernican revolution. The security debates, immediate and global. For everyday life, it forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The takeaway is blunt. Paradigm shifts don't ask permission. They arrive, and they change everything. Mars, once dismissed as a barren wasteland, has become our unexpected outpost for cosmic observation. Its thin atmosphere and lack of light pollution gave the rover a sharper view of 3I Atlas than Earth ever could. That vantage point revealed details we might have missed entirely. The real-world impact? Sometimes the best discoveries come from shifting perspective, literally. The lesson is simple. Change your vantage point, and you change what's possible. Mars proves that distance doesn't blur vision, it sharpens it. The rover didn't just take pictures, it measured the light bouncing off 3I Atlas, and what it found was startling. Instead of icy compounds typical of comets, the spectrum hinted at metallic elements, more like engineered alloys than frozen rock. 2 facts side by side. No tail, metallic signature. That combination makes the comet label nearly impossible to defend. The real-world impact? Composition reveals origin. And in this case, the data doesn't just describe, it exposes. And what it exposes is deeply unsettling. If 3I Atlas isn't natural, then the most unsettling interpretation is also the hardest to ignore. It could be a probe, a relic drifting aimlessly, or a device still functioning. Either way, a probe means intent, and intent means intelligence. The real-world impact? Humanity would have to confront the possibility that we've been observed, or even contacted, without realizing it. The takeaway is stark. Curiosity must always be balanced with caution. Because sometimes, discovery doesn't just expand knowledge, it tests our readiness. When Oumuamua passed through in 2017, the scientific community hesitated. By the time serious missions were proposed, it was already gone, vanishing into the dark, leaving only questions behind. That hesitation cost us priceless data. The real-world impact? Delay is the enemy of discovery, and if we repeat that mistake with 3I Atlas, we risk losing another chance to understand an interstellar visitor. The takeaway is sharp. Opportunity doesn't knock twice. It streaks past at thousands of miles per second. This time, space agencies aren't waiting. NASA and ESA are already sketching out rapid response missions, spacecraft designed to launch within months, not years, to chase down the next interstellar visitor before it slips away. Imagine intercepting an object like 3I Atlas in real time, scanning it up close, maybe even touching it. The real-world impact? 3I Atlas is forcing us to think faster, act bolder, and prepare for the unknown. The lesson is clear. Anticipation drives innovation. If we want answers, we can't just watch the sky, we have to meet what comes through it. Every interstellar visitor is more than just a rock, it's a messenger from beyond. 3I Atlas reminds us that the universe is not a closed system, but a crossroads where worlds collide and mysteries travel. Each object that drifts into our solar system carries clues about distant stars, and maybe about civilizations we've never met. The takeaway is timeless. Stay curious, stay prepared. Because the cosmos doesn't whisper, It delivers messages across light years, and it's up to us to listen. From missing tails to metallic signatures, from strange ridges to unexplained motion, 3I Atlas has shattered every box we tried to put it in. Whether it's a natural wanderer or something artificial, one truth is unavoidable. It forces us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. And this is only the beginning, because the next interstellar visitor may not just pass by. It may arrive with purpose. So if you want to be ready when that moment comes, stick with us, because the universe isn't done with us yet.